I need to find good shoes, bro. How often do I hear this sentence? Ain't gonna lie. Today, I'm showing you my footwear rotation. I definitely would say that I stepped back from buying shoes a lot. I used to buy a lot of sneakers, new colorways and shit, but I think I got more and more into classic silhouettes that last a lifetime and are pretty much timeless, because if you know me, I'm really into timeless silhouettes. Not only shoes, but also clothes. I don't have to buy shoes every month, you know. I hate trend hopping. It may be for you, but I hate it because I just want to ride my own style. I mean, you can discuss about it, but I think I found my style. I'm really into vintage and workwear and maybe a little bit Americana and Japanese streetwear. But I would say that's it. I think I found my balance. And I know what to look out for. I know what silhouettes I like. I know what type of jeans I like, what type of fits and shit. And due to the fact that I know what I want, I save up a lot of money. And that's why I want to show you my footwear rotation, because it's like literally only 5 to 6 shoes right now. I've sold most of my sneakers back 2022 and 2023. And the reason why I did, because I wasn't even wearing these anymore. Like Jordans, I still have my Chicago's just for the memories, but like Jordans, Air Forces, a lot of silhouettes, and I think I found my silhouettes that I really like, and I'll definitely buy it again. So there's obviously shoes coming out that I really want, and I have grades and shit, but in terms of like sneakers in general, I would say that I only buy maybe like one sneaker a year. So this being said, I hope you like this intro. So let's just start, man. I would say let's start with my only sneakers I have. So let's start with my all-time classic. I've been wearing this one for 20 years, bro. I've been wearing this one for like 6 years now, 5 years. And this is the Converse Chuck 70. It is like a normal Chuck, featuring like this leather patch here, but with cream details. It has like cream outsole, and it just looks way better than the normal one. Also quality wise, I think this one is way better than the normal one. I really like the brown colorway of it too. I could show a picture right now. I've seen this one at Kith Paris, but I feel like I'm good with this one right now. This is my second pair, it's almost new. Can easily clean it, and these might not look too comfortable, but trust me, they are. And you can pair this shit with everything, with like carpenters, with raw denim, with like a comb, with like a relaxed trousers, and I think it's pretty much the perfect shoe for the price. I think it's 80 euro, and it's crazy. I've had my first picture when I started like doing all this content shit with these ones, and this is 4 or 5 years back. So if you ask me, shit can't be more timeless than Chucks. It's like the sneaker, you know. So that's my first pair of footwear. I usually style these with like denim and a vintage fit in general. Like my favorite fit is like a Kurt Cobain type beat, like just some Chucks, a vintage pair of denim, and a vintage tee. And if it's too cold, you just throw in a flannel or hoodie, and I think that's good to go, man. This is my favorite, probably my favorite or my second favorite shoe of all time. So this is Chuck 70s in the vintage beige colorway, I guess. So yeah, pretty good, man. Alright. I have also Salomons, but I've shown these to you last video, so I'm just leaving them out for now. But it ain't a Jonas Keywood video without showing these like every other minute, man. We have the John 992s. Bro, I've been wearing these for 6 months straight now. It's the most comfortable shoe I have and probably have ever owned. Besides maybe Yeezys. Yeezys were pretty comfortable, to be honest. And the reason why I love this shoe so much is it just looks so chill. You don't try too hard. It's neutral tones with cream laces and a cream outsole, and they're looking a little bit bulky, but that's what I like. The jeans fall amazing on these shoes. The jeans stack amazing on these shoes, and I just think that the 992 is probably my most favorite New Balance silhouette, and this has to be my #1 favorite sneaker. It's crazy because I already won these. Then there was a restock back in 2022, I guess, and I got 2 pairs and sold them after wearing, and sold one of them and sold the other one after wearing it a long time. But then I was craving these so hard and decided to get another pair, and there's these ones now. I'm pretty much happy with them. I just gotta care more about them. I used to hike with them, used to do city tours and shit, but it's my go-to shoe, man. When I wanna leave the house for like an hour, I always put on these because they go with everything, I gotta say. Shorts, denim, whatever, and they're so comfortable. So this is my second pair. Yeah, can't go wrong, man. If you ever decide getting New Balance, get 992s, I ain't gonna lie. And now we're coming to the more classic shoes, man. These right here are my newest pickup and probably one of my most expensive shoes right now. These are the Paraboot Michaels. It is, I think they are existing for like almost 100 years now. If I'm not wrong, Paraboot exists for 80 years now, and these are like the most classic Paraboot silhouette. When I asked like some friends, everyone told me, bro, these gonna last a lifetime. And honestly, the moment I box these, it actually feels like it. The leather is so thick but so durable, and we got a super thick outsole and midsole. It has been stitched to the upper super nicely. We got the green signature Paraboot tag, and I have to say, man, these look so good, bro. If you have like a super streetwear and super vintage, if you have like a super vintage and street style outfit and you pair it down with these ones, man, I'm telling you, this shit looks crazy. It's you have the best of both worlds. You have classic shoes but like a vintage fit, and I think that's honestly my most favorite way to style clothes right now. Not only look these super nice with shorts, but also with like denim. Yesterday I worn these with like a raw denim, and the way how they look is just so nice. Because I was always considering buying Clarks, but then I was like, I'm kind of getting tired of suede shoes, so I was looking for leather Clarks, but didn't really find a good one. So I came up with these, and these cost a bit more. I think I paid 400 for those, but I gotta say, man, these probably last a lifetime. They have selected cobbler stores, so you can easily get these repaired if like the outsole is cracking or some shit. Because I think the upper will last forever, bro. I've never seen such a great leather, bro, on shoes. It's so thick. And these look like brand new, and I've worn these for like 6 to 7 times now. It's crazy. So this is my favorite pickup this year. You will definitely see a fit of Liu with these ones. Kinda got these for the shooting too, but I had to get a pair by myself. So that's my third pair of footwear. So let's get it going, man. We have 2 more pairs. Keeping it simple and short, man. Hiking boots that I haven't worn for 2 months now because it's kind of getting too hot. But I got these in Tokyo, Japan for 60 euro. Swapped the laces, cleaned them up, and they look brand new. Not brand new, but they kind of have the character to it due to the stains and shit. But they look super nice, and I gotta say, comfortable as hell. And I don't know, there's just something to hiking boots, you know? They look so nice because they look so bulky, and I really like the hiking boots details, like the rivets, the colorful laces, and the bulkiness. So if you put on like a nice baggy or like bootcut denim or like straight leg denim, red, damn, that's the shit I want to see, man. And they got the thick vibrant sole, man. You can't go wrong. These are probably like 20 years old already, and perfect, bro. I gotta say, one of my favorite shoes to style in the spring and fall season. Winter obviously too, because these are Gore-Tex, made in Poland, I guess, or America, and hand stitched. You can wear these anywhere, and dang, I really have a great selection right now. I'm not complaining. I have my shoes for every occasion. This is my second last pair of shoes of my rotation right now. I have more shoes down there. This is really my rotation right now, and I don't want to show like Vans and shit that I'm not really wearing. Last pair of footwear that I got for summer. These are like, I think I've shown these to you already. These are Duke and Dexter Derbies with like a rattan upper, super soft leather. And I got these because I have like never owned loafers in my life, so I got these, not too boring, pretty loud to be honest, with the rattan. And put an insole on because I had like a super hard heel slip and my heels were bleeding, bro. I'm telling you, that shit wasn't cool, bro. Yeah, I got these for summer. These go amazingly with shorts and thick crest socks or like tennis socks. And yeah, Duke Dexter, I think pretty upcoming when it comes to loafers. They're pretty hot right now, so yeah, I got these. I think a little more than 250, but it's alright. It's good quality and definitely unique. Because I was kind of tired of seeing like Doc Martens loafers everywhere, so I got these instead. And yeah, this is about my footwear rotation. Let me know what you guys think. I think I have a pretty good rotation. I don't need any shoes. I think I got shoes for every occasion, and I'm not spending too much money on useless shit. I got my rotation. I'm sticking with it. Buying clothes there and there. Other than that, man, I'm pretty good, man. I'm wearing top to bottom Liu almost every day because I'm super happy how everything is turning out right now. We're going into the right direction, and I'm thankful for y'all to keep supporting me, trying to improve every other thing at Liu, trying to improve shipping times, new packaging, quality and shit. So thanks for supporting me. And with this being said, peace.